Hello kids. Today we are here to learn something interesting and easy. Paper house roof. Paper house roof is something that covers the top of a house and protects us from wind, rain and sun. Let's start. Take a square shape paper just like this. Now we'll do the first step. You have to fold from the top to the bottom. Following. Make sure that you fold properly from the top to the bottom and fold it into two halves. Fold the paper. Make sure that you have an eye on the corners and secure it with your fingers. Now press the other side, whole of the other edge. Both the sides like this. Here we complete our first step. The second step is you have to open it a little. Take it in your hands and open it a little from between. Just like this. This is how it has to look. And here we are ready. This is our final look. Just like this. This makes the roof of the house. Well, I hope you had a great time making this. Thank you.